It's been cold.
Yeah.
Cold start to 2026 plus 3 straight days of snow. I think people are ready for the snow to stop. You got to shovel once again, especially the Northeast Metro. And you can see where the snow fell because you'll see the road conditions that are a little bit icy. So if you just look at the state as a whole, it kind of looks like 94 is the divider, about, obviously, give or take. 94, anything north of that, Brainerd, Bemidji, Duluth, it's going to be slick. So if you're traveling today, especially north on 35, let's say you're going from Forest Lake up towards the Duluth area, that could be a little bit of an icy road. It's still actually snowing up there, and we'll see that in a second. But here's what it looks like on those road conditions. Less snow today down towards the Chaska area. So areas on 5, 7 going down towards 212. It's not going to be as bad. But in the metro, we picked up ½ inch. North Metro, closer to that 1 inch mark up here. When you go to Stillwater, again, quite a bit of snow actually fell here. Not a ton, but enough to make the road slick. Still battling a little snow up towards Duluth. They'll pick up a few inches here today. If you're traveling into Wisconsin, that's where we have some of the snow showers here. You can see just exiting Red Wing right now, Wabasha. So again, maybe a few flakes down there towards the TI area. Eau Claire, flakes, again, nothing serious, but there is some slick conditions. Now, it snowed when it was actually in the single digits. So the snow to liquid ratio, we call it, for fluffy snow was actually double the normal. So it was adding up a little bit quicker. And yes, you can just kind of blow it around. It's fresh powder. -1 still in International Falls, 0. That's what happens in the Northland. But 7 here in St. Cloud, 9 in the Twin Cities, and a little bit warmer. Starting to see some of that warmer air start to nose in here to the southwest. 11 degrees here to start the day, 13 in the afternoon. It's a cold day, but it's pleasantly cold, if that's a thing. It's not an oxymoron here. It's probably an oxymoron in the south if I said pleasantly cold, but you know what I mean. 10 degrees, 9 by the time we get to this evening. You'll see the wind start to shift again, still out of the northwest here tonight. So statewide, here's what it looks like today. 3 in International Falls and Grand Marais, 25 in Laverne, a little bit warmer down here. So that's because the jet stream's on top of us. So what you don't realize is when you have a divide at 3 to 25, by definition, there has to be a jet stream dividing that temperature change. So that's why it's actually snowing. So yeah, aloft, what you don't realize is that jet stream's on us here. It's flying up there. So tomorrow, you see the same deal until the jet stream moves. Now, the jet stream will shift to the north by Saturday, but for now, you'll still see this temperature divide. 6, we're right around the teens, and they're at 24. So it will change on Saturday, and you'll see this because the actual clipper on Saturday, it misses us north. So that means the clipper or the jet stream is moving up here. So that's why that clipper on Saturday misses us. So again, yeah, Duluth, that area, more snow on Saturday. But Sunday, we have a more of a change here. This is going to be our next actual system. This is going to be 5 p.m. Now, the low is right on top of us, so it looks like a mix is possible. This will change, but I think in the evening hours on Sunday, it's best practice to just prepare for a few slick conditions out there. 14 degrees as we go into the weekend, 20 and 25.